Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jester, and this is my show. Yeah, my videos will be about my favorite people on YouTube, video game reviewers, comedians, that kind of stupid shit that nobody cares about. I decided to make my show after getting out of the nut house. Well, instead of killing people, I thought this would be a better living, even though I'm not getting paid. I didn't get paid for killing people either, even though I should have been. You know, like assassins should be paid for killing people that don't belong here. Well, they do get paid. Why didn't I get paid? Never mind. The main point I'm going to make for all of you is that I am not here for you. Unless I get fans, that would be awesome. Go you. Give me fans. You type. You give me comments. You know, type it. I'm not on here to get famous. I'm not on here to be an idol. I'm not on here for any other reason but to have fun. That's what YouTube videos should be about, is having fun. Life, you need to smile more. And the Jester Show should be giving you more things to smile about. People say I'm not funny. Not all my jokes are funny. I'm not funny. I don't need to be funny. I know I'm funny. In my own psychotic, weird, and twisted, and retarded way. You can say, I'm a faggot. I'm a moron. I'm an idiot. I'm not funny. Any of those things or more. I don't care. Whoever likes my videos, I thank you. You will never hear me say that again. But yes, for people who don't like it, fuck you. I really don't care what you think about me. Because I don't really care if you don't like what I think about you. Most of my videos are going to be about people I like, though. So if you impress me, you may get a video response from me, or an entire video basically about you. I guarantee that my first video will be about this, well, I don't know yet. But I know my first video will be to set me off. The Jester Show shall always continue. And I will end this intro to my great show with a single line. I will end, well, probably not with the next one, because of what I have planned in store, I probably won't do it. But put a smile on your face. It'll make my world a better place.